Birds and the Bees. Jack and Jill went up the hill holding hand in hand. Last thing on their mind was putting that water in an old tin can. One thing led to another. Jill said to Jack, catch me if you can. Yeah, well, Jackie fell down, broke his crown. Jill came tumbling in. Romeo couldn't live without his Juliet. Well, the letter never made it from her father far away, so he thought that she was dead. She said, "Lying without you, baby, it's like a poison gonna drink it down." Yeah. Well, she woke and drank the same poison he drank. Now they're both lying in the ground. If the birds in the bees, yeah, well, I'm in love again, or the fall down to my knees. It's the birds and the honeybee, yeah. Well, I'm in love again. Oh, 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 oh. I don't down. Anything they wanted, oh, Bonnie and Clyde could steal. From an upbound train to a new wedding ring, deep in love and it was real. Like Robin Hood letting those arrows fly, just like a Cupid through the heart of a pea. Well, Maid Marian, she cried. She's in love and the world knows how she feels. It's the birds and the bees, yeah. Well, I'm in love again, for the fall down to my knees. In the birds, little honeybee, yeah. Well, I'm in love again. Oh, oh. Try and act it out, just like Burton and Taylor did. They called the next Bogarts a book call, frozen like Han Solo, waiting for Princess Leia's kiss. It don't matter what the script might say, or what the prince or princess did. My beauty is the beast inside, live and let die, rose continues to wilt. In the birds